Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinens Grocery Stores. Thanks so much for stopping by today. A ton of delicious, fresh summer produce is in season, so I'm going to show you how to make two really amazing meals. Heinens works with over 60 local farmers that grow hundreds of products, so be sure to stop in and check out our fresh seasonal produce. The first recipe I'm going to make are some vegetarian tacos. To start, we're going to slice up some fresh bell peppers. I've got some red, yellow, orange, and green. Next thing we're going to do is cut some zucchini into large batonets, or think of it as a really large slice. Next, we're simply going to slice some asparagus in half. We're going to slice up a peeled red onion. And last but not least, we're going to remove the stems and the gills of some portabella mushrooms, and we are also going to slice those up. Add all of this to a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. What we want to do now is add on some spices. So go ahead and sprinkle on some ground cumin, chili powder, season it up with salt and cracked black pepper. We're going to drizzle on a little olive oil to make sure this browns up really nicely. We're going to hit it in the oven on 375 degrees. It's going to take in between 20 and 25 minutes to roast up. This is great time because while the vegetables are roasting in the oven, we're going to make a really tasty avocado crema. So in a bowl, add some sour cream. We're going to put in some fresh avocado, not the seed or the peel. Squeeze in some lime juice. And last but not least, we want to season it up with salt and pepper, and then using a hand masher, mash it until it becomes very smooth, and then set it to the side. The vegetables are done. Let's plate this beauty up. Lay down a corn or flour tortilla. We're going to load it up with the vegetables, the portabella mushrooms, the peppers, the zucchini, the asparagus, the onions. Then we're going to top off with that avocado crema. And last but not least, I'm going to sprinkle on some fresh cilantro leaves and some microgreens. Let's definitely not forget about dessert. There is always room for it in my household. I'm going to make a no-bake cheesecake dip that we're going to put fresh berries all over. It's going to be amazing. To start, add some cream cheese and some ricotta cheese to a standing mixer with a paddle attachment. We're going to sprinkle in a little bit of sugar for some sweetness. We finish it with some vanilla extract. Go ahead and whip it up until it's smooth and soft, about 5 to 7 minutes. While it is whipping, I've got some fresh berries. Fresh strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries are all in season and absolutely amazing right now. Let's toss them in a little bit of sugar. Also add some vanilla extract to that. Give it a mix and let's plate this up. I want to serve this up in a kind of cool way. So using a small cocktail glass, add in some of that cheesecake batter. Top off with those fresh berries. And as a little surprise, we're going to put on some fresh cherries and mint for garnish. These are two very easy recipes that you can make in literally under 30 minutes. You've got a main entree and you've got a dessert, all using fresh local produce from local farmers at your favorite Heinens grocery stores. Please visit Heinens.com and see all of our amazing recipe videos. Can't wait to get into this. We'll see y'all later.